Hi, this is a quick run through a tutorial of using Windows 8. This is the first setup, and I actually have this set up on a virtual machine, exactly using VMware Fusion. And so when you finish installing it, this is basically what you're going to see. First screen shows you a personalization screen. You can choose what color theme you want and basically give it a name. Click Next. And then you have a choice of using express settings, or you can further customize your device. In the settings category, they ask if this is your first time on the network, and if you want to turn on sharing between PCs. You can click yes or no. I'm just going to hit yes for now. And basically the next step, and this is my first run through, so I'm actually going through this for my first time. I'm going to click automatically install important and recommended updates. Everything else is on. Turning on IE smart screen filter. These are regular. Everything else is off to improve Windows Store. You can turn that on if you wish, but just basically walking through. You can take your time and look at what you want to customize at this point. Some are on by default. And basically at this point you give them your email. Use your favorite email address as a Microsoft account, and when you sign in, I don't want to use that, but it's recommending that I use it. So when you sign into Windows with a Microsoft account, I don't have a Microsoft account, so what do? Sign up or sign in without one. Let's go. So Microsoft account is set up, and I can have a local account or a Microsoft account because I don't want to use my Hotmail, or I don't really have one. I'll just use a local account, and then you can basically create one. So let's see what we have. Okay. Can give it a password. Okay. At this point, finalize your settings. Hello. While we're getting things ready, check out the new way to use Windows. Cool. So these are the instructions that are coming up. Move the mouse into any corner. So as soon we're getting ready, and this is the first time I'm actually running it, so I have no clue what to expect. I've heard a little bit about Windows 8, but I'm a Mac user, so I don't really bother too much about it, but I decided to check it out, so I was able to acquire the license and the CD, and so I decided to run it. So I'm yet to see how great this new operating system is, and hopefully it's going to be fun. So while we wait, we wait. It's about 5 minutes in since I started going through the personalization and the setup, and I'm hoping it doesn't take too long. It's just hitting the 5-minute app, and it's at the stage of installing apps. Okay, looks like it's taking too long. Oh, just when I said it, it starts. So it looks like I'm in, and it doesn't even look like I've started. And there we go. So I go to the corner and see what comes up. Oh, so there it is. From about setting up, it took me about 7 minutes to actually get to the start screen. And this is Windows. You're looking at it. Next videos will explore what happens. You can change your picture, you can lock your screen, you can sign out. You can check your mail, you can check your calendar, Internet Explorer, what we're familiar with. And there are a few other things you can look at. There's Bing, there's travel, there's games, there's camera, there's video, music, news, weather, desktop. And I'm just navigating through this by just using my navigation arrow. You can also use your mouse. But the whole IE seems very simple. I like that. I like that simple interface. I'm just kind of going through. Let's do something we're familiar with. IE. Okay. So clicking enter just takes you to IE, and we're in. Now the only thing is trying to figure out what version of IE this is running. See view on desktop, so you can do that. I just want to see if there's an easy way of seeing what you're running. I don't know. And I haven't read any tutorials or anything to see how these things actually work. So let me go escape, and nothing happens. So I'm just trying to see how to go back. And that isn't working. So I'm going to go scroll back up and see if there's an easy way of exiting. And there isn't. So I'm just going to go here to the corner. Nothing's happening. Into that corner. Oh, there we go. It says start screen, so if I click this, it will take me back to the start screen, so I'm back. I don't know, the interface was kind of weird. I didn't like that. Let's see what happens when I go to, I don't even know what to go to. Weather. What's the weather and where am I? Will you be able to figure that out? You tell me. Not really. Okay. Allow. Let's see where my location is. And in Framingham, Massachusetts, and it's about 48 degrees. And it's about 12:30 a.m. So that's accurate. That's good. One thing I don't like about this is it's no easy way of going back except to go into the corner. It's okay. It's not bad. I hit and start. So without further ado, I have introduced you to Windows 8. Looks cool. You have to figure out what I can do. My next goal is to try and get Internet Explorer away and bring in Google Chrome. Thank you.